HubSpot CRM is now officially integrated with Yeastar P-Series PBX. It means that starting from this version, we'll be able to integrate our P-Series PBX with HubSpot CRM, and all the control features like click-to-call, call pop-up, call journal, and contact synchronization. In this video, we'll guide you through the configuration process to realize the integration step by step. So, if you use HubSpot CRM, please go with us. And if you use other CRMs, you can check these videos about all the other CRM that we support. Okay, ready? Here we go. One more thing here, to realize the integration, we need to make sure that PBX is subscribed to the Enterprise plan or Ultimate plan. In the meanwhile, HubSpot should be any of the showing edition that is in condition for the integration. First of all, we need to obtain the authentication info from our PBX. Go to the administrator interface and go to Integration Configuration page. Then find CRM. Here we choose HubSpot CRM. And in the Network section, we find Redirect URL. Let's copy it for future configuration. Now for step 2, we create an application for our PBX on HubSpot. Here we log into HubSpot developer account. Then we click on Create an app. Then, in the App Info tab, we can name this application, upload a logo, and add description. Only the name is obligatory. Then we move on to Authentication tab. In the Redirect URL, we put in the copied URL from our last step. Then we jump into the scope scenarios and select all the scopes that is necessary for the integration and all the functions. Now, in the CRM section, please check all the scopes as we displayed here. And then, in the standard drop-down list, check these scopes. When we're done, click on Save. Now the application for the P-Series PBX is created on HubSpot, and all the scopes that we need is activated. Then we go to the App Credentials page and copy the client ID and client secret. These two parameters will be used for authenticating the CRM on P-Series PBX. Now, for step 3. We start making authorization requests to the HubSpot CRM. Here we go back to the HubSpot integration page on the P-Series PBX. In the authorization section, paste the client ID and secret from the last step. When we finish this, click on Save. Now we will see a web page launched automatically to indicate us to associate the PBX to available account on HubSpot. Please notice that we shall pick a standard HubSpot account with super admin privilege. Do not use developer account. Here we choose this account. The page will show the permission grant request of the application. Here we can do a final check on all the permissions. If everything's okay, click on Connect App. Then, the two systems will start authentication and integrate with each other. Here we go. We see the authentication succeeded in both CRM and PBX interface. Okay, now we start to associate the extensions on the PBX to CRM users. Let's go back to the HubSpot integration again. And here we will see a list of HubSpot users. Now all we need to do is to choose one existing extension for each listed user. If all extensions are assigned to the same email address as the corresponding HubSpot user, we can also click on Associate automatically. When we finish them all, click on Save. Once we're done, we can realize call pop-up, click-to-call, and call journal synchronization with no problem at all. If we need contact synchronization, we need to go to the CRM integration page, and in Synchronize Contacts form, select what types of contacts do we want to sync from HubSpot to the PBX. We can choose them all actually. And we can go on to select the phone book for the HubSpot contact to the PBX. Or if needed, we can click to create a new one, then click on Save. Now P-Series PBX can automatically create a new contact on HubSpot if an unknown caller or callee to the system. To realize that, we can go to CRM integration page and select Create New Contact automatically. Then in the call type, we choose Apply this function for inbound or outbound call. Of course, we can apply for both, then click on Save. Okay, This is how we realized the integration between P-Series PBX and HubSpot CRM. Update to new firmware to enjoy the new support. If you want to learn more, please visit Yeastar.com. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and stay tuned.